Hello, welcome once again to our channel Bioholic with your Friday educator Olivia. Hello everyone, I'm your educator Olivia. Welcome once again to Bioholic Extra Class Thursday with me. So after the end of the chapter Photosynthesis in Higher Plants, today I will provide the last 20 years NEET questions on this chapter with their solutions. That is from the year 2000 to 2020. So let's start. The first question is, the first step of initiation of photosynthesis will be photolysis of water, excitement of chlorophyll molecule due to light absorption, ATP formation or glucose formation. Obviously the answer will be option B, excitement of chlorophyll molecule due to light absorption is the first step of the photosynthesis. Then the second question is, for assimilation of one carbon dioxide molecule, the energy required in form of ATP and NADPH2 are 2 ATP and 2 NADPH2, 5 ATP, 3 NADPH2, 3 ATP and 2 NADPH2, 18 ATP and 12 NADPH2. For assimilation of only one carbon dioxide molecule means 1 Kelvin cycle. So we know that in 1 Kelvin cycle, 3 ATP and 2 NADPH2s are used. Therefore, the option C will be the answer. Next is, for the synthesis of one glucose molecule, the Kelvin cycle operates for 2 times, 4 times, 6 times, 8 times. For synthesis of one glucose molecule, we know Kelvin cycle operates for 6 times. Next is, which is the first carbon dioxide acceptor enzyme in C4 plants? RUDP carboxylase, phosphoric acid, Rubisco, or the PEP carboxylase? The answer will be PEP or phosphoenol pyruvate carboxylase. Then, the photochemical reactions in the chloroplast are directly involved in formation of phosphoglyceric acid, fixation of carbon dioxide, synthesis of glucose and starch, or the photolysis of water and phosphorylation of ADP to ATP. The answer will be photolysis of water, phosphorylation of ADP to ATP. Next is, which pigment system is inactivated in red drop? PS1 and PS2 both, PS1 only, or only PS2, or none of this? The answer will be PS2, which is inactivated in red drop. Next, which pair is wrong? C3 maize, C4 Grant's anatomy, Kelvin cycle PGA, Hatch and Slack cycle oxaloacetic acid. We know that maize is a C4 plant, so the option A will be the answer. Next, cytochrome is a metalloflavoprotein, iron containing porphyrin pigment, glycoprotein or lipid? The answer will be iron containing porphyrin pigment. Next is, which of the following absorb light energy for photosynthesis? Chlorophyll, water molecule, oxygen or RUBP? We know that in the light energy, chlorophyll absorbs the sunlight for photosynthesis. So the option A will be answer. Next is, in photosynthesis, energy from light reaction to dark reaction is transferred in the form of ATP, RUDP or chlorophyll. Obviously the answer will be ATP, which is produced in the light reaction. Next is, which fractions of the visible spectrum of solar radiations are primarily absorbed by carotenoids in higher plants? Blue and green, green and red, red and violet or violet and blue? Violet and blue will be the answer, which is the visible spectrum of solar radiations that are primarily absorbed by carotenoids in higher plants. Next is, which element is located at the center of the porphyrin ring in the structure of chlorophyll? Calcium, magnesium, potassium or manganese? This is very easy. The magnesium or the option B will be the answer. Next is, which one of the following concerns photophosphorylation? ADP plus AMP in presence of light energy converted into ATP. Second option is ADP plus inorganic phosphate in presence of light energy converted into ATP. Third option is ADP plus inorganic phosphate, but there is no light energy, and without light energy can be converted into ATP. And the option D is AMP plus inorganic phosphate in presence of light energy is converted into ATP. The option B will be the answer, that is ADP in presence of light energy combines with inorganic phosphate to produce ATP. Next is, in sugarcane plant, 14 carbon dioxide is fixed to malic acid, in which the enzyme that fixes carbon dioxide is ribulose bisphosphate carboxylase, phosphoenol pyruvic acid carboxylase, ribulose phosphate kinase, or fructose phosphatase? The answer will be phosphoenol pyruvic acid or PEP carboxylase. Next is stomata of CAM plants are always open during the day and close at night, open during night and close during the day, or never open. The answer is open during night and close during the day. Next is which of the following is wrong in relation to photorespiration? It occurs in chloroplast, it occurs in daytime only, it is a characteristics of C4 plants, and it is a characteristics of C3 plants. We know that C4 plants are evolved and they have a significant mechanism which prevents the photorespiration process. So the statement of the option C is wrong. That's why the answer will be option C. Next is plants adapted to low light intensity have larger photosynthetic unit size than the sun plants, higher rate of carbon dioxide fixation than the sun plants, more extended root systems, or leaves modified to spines. Plants adapted to low light intensity have larger photosynthetic unit size than the sun plants. Next is in the C3 plants, the first stable product of photosynthesis during the dark reaction is malic acid, oxaloacetic acid, 3-phosphoglyceric acid, or phosphoglyceraldehyde. Obviously, 3-PGA or 3-phosphoglyceric acid is the first stable product of C3 plants dark reaction. Next is chlorophyll in chloroplast is located in grana, pyrenoid, stroma, or both grana and stroma. We know that chlorophyll in the chloroplast is present in the grana. Next is photosynthesis in C4 plants is relatively less limited by atmospheric carbon dioxide levels because of effective pumping of carbon dioxide into bundle sheath cells. Rubisco in C4 plants has higher affinity for carbon dioxide. 4 carbon acids are the primary initial carbon dioxide fixation products. The primary fixation of carbon dioxide is mediated by PEP carboxylase. Option D will be the answer. Then the 21st question is as compared to a C3 plant, how many additional molecules of ATP are needed for net production of 1 molecule of hexose sugar by C4 plants? We know that 12 molecules of ATP are needed for net production of 1 molecule of hexose sugar by C4 plants. Next is photosynthetically active radiation is represented by the range of wavelength of 340 to 450 nanometer, 400 to 700 nanometer, 500 to 600 nanometer, or 400 to 950 nanometer. The answer will be 400 to 700 nanometer. Next is in photosystem 1, the first electron acceptor is cytochrome, plastocyanin, an iron sulfur protein, or ferredoxin. The answer will be an iron sulfur protein. Next question is during photorespiration, the oxygen consuming reactions occur in stroma of chloroplast and paroxysm, grana of chloroplast and paroxysm, stroma of chloroplast, or stroma of chloroplast and mitochondria. The answer will be stroma of chloroplast and paroxysm. Nextly, the first acceptor of electrons from an excited chlorophyll molecule of photosystem 2 is iron sulfur protein, ferredoxin, quinone, or cytochrome. The answer will be option C, quinone. Next is the wavelength of light absorbed by PR form of phytochrome is 680 nanometer, 720 nanometer, 620 nanometer, or 640 nanometer. The answer is 680 nanometer. Next is in the leaves of C4 plants, malic acid synthesis during carbon dioxide fixation occurs in the cells of phloem, epidermis, bundle sheath, or mesophyll. In the C4 plants, we know that malate synthesis during carbon dioxide fixation occurs in the cells of mesophyll. Electrons from excited chlorophyll molecules of photosystem 2 are accepted first by cytochrome B, cytochrome F, quinone, or ferredoxin. We already discussed this question before. The answer will be option C, quinone. Oxygenic photosynthesis occurs in oscillatoria, rhodospirillum, chlorobium, or chromatium. The answer is oscillatoria. In oscillatoria, oxygenic photosynthesis occurs. Cyclic photophosphorylation results in the formation of ATP and NADPH2, ATP and NADPH and oxygen, ATP or NADPH. We know that in cyclic photophosphorylation, only ATP is formed, but there no NADPH or oxygen is formed. Therefore, the option C will be the answer. Next is PGA or phosphoglyceric acid as the first carbon dioxide fixation product was discovered in photosynthesis of bryophyte, gymnosperm, angiosperm, or alga. Option D will be the answer, that is the alga. Next is C4 plants are more efficient in photosynthesis than C3 plants due to higher leaf area, presence of large number of chloroplasts in the leaf cells, presence of thin cuticle, or lower rate of photorespiration. We know that in C4 plants there is lower rate of photorespiration, so option D will be the answer. Next is CAM helps the plants in conserving water, secondary growth, disease resistance, or reproduction. We know CAM plants are the orchids or cactus that is present in the desert, and they use a mechanism that prevents the water loss from their cells. So CAM pathway helps the plant in conserving water. Next is a process that makes important difference between C3 and C4 plant is transpiration, glycolysis, photosynthesis, or photorespiration. Obviously, the option D will be the answer, that is the photorespiration. Next is the correct sequence of cell organelles. The correct sequence of cell organelles during photorespiration is chloroplast Golgi body, mitochondria, chloroplast rough endoplasmic reticulum or dictyosome, chloroplast then paroxysm then mitochondria, or chloroplast then vacuole and then paroxysm. We know in the process of photorespiration, chloroplast, paroxysm and mitochondria, all of these three are involved, so the option C will be the answer. Chloroplast, then the paroxysm, and then the mitochondria. Next is pigment containing membranous extensions in some cyanobacteria are basal bodies, pneumatophores, chromatophores, or heterocysts. Chromatophores will be the answer that contains pigments. We discussed about the oxygenic photosynthesis. Now this is the time for anoxygenic photosynthesis is characteristics of Rhodospirillum, Spirogyra, Chlamydomonas or Ulva. Option A will be the answer, that is Rhodospirillum, where anoxygenic photosynthesis occurs. Next is again the chromatophores, that is take part in movements, respiration, photosynthesis or growth. Undoubtedly the option C will be the answer, that is the photosynthesis. Next is in photosynthesis the light independent reactions take place at photosystem 2, stromal matrix, thylakoid lumen, or the photosystem 1. We know in the light reaction ATP and NADPH are produced in the stroma, and after that these products are used in the dark reaction or the light independent reaction. So the option B will be the answer. In stromal matrix the light independent reactions take place. Next is in a chloroplast the highest number of protons are found in stroma, lumens of thylakoid, inner membrane space, or the Antony complex. If you watched my animated video on light reaction, then you will find this question very easy. The option B, that is the lumens of thylakoid, will be the answer, which is responsible for the creation of proton gradient. Next question is, water-soluble pigments found in plant cell vacuoles are xanthophylls, chlorophylls, carotenoids, or anthocyanins. The only water-soluble pigment that is found in plant cell are the anthocyanins. Next is emulsions, enhancement effect, and red drop have been instrumental in the discovery of photophosphorylation and non-cyclic electron transport, two photosystems operating simultaneously, photophosphorylation and cyclic electron transport, or oxidative photophosphorylation. The emulsions, enhancement effect, and red drop have been instrumented in the discovery of two photosystems operating simultaneously. Next, there is a tricky question. A plant in your garden avoids photorespiratory losses, has improved water use efficiency, shows high rates of photosynthesis at high temperatures, and has improved efficiency of nitrogen utilization. In which of the following groups would you assign this plant? Option A is CAM, option B is nitrogen fixer, option C is C3 plant, or option D is a C4 plant. We know avoiding photorespiration is the criteria of only the C4 plants, so no need to think about the other points. When you find that any plant that is avoiding photorespiratory losses, undoubtedly the answer will be options D, that is the C4 plants. Obviously the plant will be a C4 plant. Next is phosphoenol pyruvate or PEP is the primary carbon dioxide acceptor in C4 plants, C2 plants, C3 and C4 both, or the C3 plants. The answer is C4 plants, and in case of C3 plants the carbon dioxide acceptor is the rubisco. Next question is, with reference to factors affecting the rate of photosynthesis, which of the following statement is not correct? Option A is increasing atmospheric carbon dioxide concentration up to 0.05% can enhance carbon dioxide fixation rates. Next option is C3 plants respond to higher temperature with enhanced photosynthesis while C4 plants have much lower temperature optimum. We know this statement is absolutely wrong as C4 plants respond to higher temperature with enhanced photosynthesis while C3 plants have much lower temperature optimum. So no need to read any other options. Obviously the option B will be the answer. Next question is, oxygen is not produced during photosynthesis by green sulfur bacteria, Nostoc, Cycas or Cara. We know in case of the green sulfur bacteria, in place of the oxygen, sulfur molecules are released. That's why the option A or green sulfur bacteria will be the answer. Next question is, which of the following is not a product of light reaction of photosynthesis? Option A is ATP, B is NADPH, C is NADH or D is oxygen. We know in light reaction ATP, NADPH and oxygen are released as a byproduct. So option C will be the answer, that is the NADH. Next question is, in Hatch and Slack pathway the primary carbon dioxide acceptor is Rubisco, oxaloacetic acid, phosphoglyceric acid or phosphoenol pyruvate. Phosphoenol pyruvate is involved in the Hatch and Slack pathway or the C4 pathway, and in this pathway it acts as the primary carbon dioxide acceptor. Nextly, the last year's question. First one is, in light reaction plastoquinone facilitates the transfer of electrons from cytochrome B6F complex to PS1. Second option is PS1 to NADP+. Third option is PS1 to ATP synthase. Last option is PS2 to cytochrome B6F complex. The answer is PS2 to cytochrome B6F complex. And the last question is, the oxygenation activity of Rubisco enzyme in photorespiration leads to the formation of 1 molecule of 3 carbon compound, 1 molecule of 6 carbon compound, 1 molecule of 4 carbon compound and 1 molecule of 2 carbon compound and 2 molecules of 3 carbon compound. In the photorespiration process, we know 1 molecule of phosphoglycolic acid, that is a 2 carbon compound, and 1 molecule of phosphoglyceric acid or PGA is formed. Phosphoglyceric acid is a 3 carbon compound and phosphoglycolic acid is a 2 carbon compound. So in these 4 options, option A will be the answer, that is 1 molecule of 3 carbon compound, though another molecule is produced, that is phosphoglycolic acid, which has 2 carbon in its structure. So that's all about the last 20 years NEET questions on the chapter photosynthesis in higher plants. Now it's time for the mock test on this chapter. The link is given in the description box. Don't forget to appear in it. So best of luck. And from tomorrow I am starting a new chapter, that is locomotion and movement. So if you have not subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon to get all the future notifications at the earliest. So see you tomorrow. Stay tuned with Bioholic.